Sawadika everyone! Monday!
New recipe.
Before, I was working on a cruise ship and I met a lot of great people. And today I'm so excited because my friend Isabella from Poland is visiting us. Say hi, Isabella!
Sawadika everybody.
So, since she is here, she will help me to prepare Laab. It is Northeast Thai salad that you can prepare with pork, or beef, or chicken, or even mushroom if you are vegetarian. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go! So, Isabella, for making Thai Laab today, we need jasmine rice, spring onion, coriander, mint, shallot, limes, minced pork, chili flake, and fish sauce. We're gonna start chop mint and coriander like Laab in shop. Now we have to cut the spring onion. You wanna try that, Isabella?
Yeah, but you have to show me how to do this.
Okay. The way to cut spring onion, you have to fine chop. It's better than me. It's time to slice shallot. You're gonna be the one do it for me. I don't want to cry. You can cut it in half first, and then with more pieces.
Okay.
It's okay. She's very strong. She didn't cry. Before toasting the rice, I will cut lines. Toast until it's brown. Now comes the fun part. We have to pound it. You have to pound it. Yeah! You should do more like a paste. Have to make the rice more like a paste. Try. You have to make the rice like very fine. Now, time to cook the actual Laab. Add 1 cup of water into the pan. Then, add minced pork. One spoon of fish sauce. I forgot, actually we need white pepper too. When your pork is cooked, turn off the heat. Then add some chili flake, some herb, shallot, and 1 spoon of toasted rice, and mix it well. And last step is lime. wonder what is the pink flower? It's a rice tear. It's just for decoration, but you also can eat. You can sprinkle some more toasted rice. And voila! What about this? This dish is a salad because we don't serve it hot, not too cold either though. We can serve with steamed rice, but most of Northeast people they prefer to eat sticky rice and much more spicy too. This is not East style, but here in Chiang Mai we also have a different recipe about lab that I will maybe show you later. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, leave a comment, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Bye bye.
Bye